Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. So today I have got something special for all WordPress lovers. Yes, that's the moment we all been waiting for. The Autobug post generator feature is now live in WPMESSIAH CoPilot. This game-changing edition will change the way you create content. This will help you to generate high-quality SEO-friendly posts with stunning images in just a few clicks. So let's see how it works. First, ensure you have updated both WPMESSIAH CoPilot and WPMESSIAH CoPilot Pro. Then, head over to the admin dashboard. Let's go to the plugin settings sections and put your Unsplash or Pixels API key. If you don't know how to generate Unsplash or Pixels API key, no worries. Just check out the link in the description for a step-by-step guide. Once your API key is in place, simply turn on the bug post generator and hit save. Now, hover over to the bug post generators and select Create New Generator. Now let's create some magical posts together. Enter the post title here and choose the GPT version. Whether you wanna go with the GPT-4 or GPT 3.5. Here, GPT-4 is expensive but provides the best result. Next, specify your topics and the number of posts you need. Click on Create Topic Ideas and see. You have a lot of topics to choose from. I have existing topics that I'm going to use. So I've simply dropped the topics here. Now select Add Interaction and Add Conclusion to make high quality content. Also selecting Add Table of Contents because I don't want to use another plugin. Now let's put the number of sections and the number of FAQs. Then simply click on Generate Image on the post. Now click on Generate Post Featured Image. Select your preferred model, Unsplash or Pixels, and choose your image size. Now, here's a pro tip for you. Only publish one bug post at a time. Trust me, it's better to save others as a draft and publish them manually one by one. Once everything's set up, hit Write Info Articles and click OK for confirmation. Here you can see the post status is pending. Now I can turn off my device and do whatever I want. The bulk post will automatically generate in the backend. So this is the best way. If you have a lot of post ideas, you can just follow the process and go to sleep. And it will automatically prepare all the posts. Then you can see all the posts when the post status is completed. And there you have it. Let me show you some posts. Look how perfect the post with the images. Lastly, I would like to say that the plugin is worth checking out. So don't miss the chance to transform your blogging experience with WPMESSIAH CoPilot. Thanks for watching.